Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take attendance in Google Meet. As we know that Google Meet does not support attendance. We don't have that functionality. So what we need to do, we need to get an extension. Extension is available. So Google Meet attendance extension, there are few applications available, but I found this is one of the best. So I'm going to show you here that how to get Google attendance, Google Meet attendance from the Chrome store, and also how to use it. So so Google Meet attendance is a simpler way to record who attended a Google Meet session. This extension is intended for teachers, especially those who are taking classes online, and a simple way to take attendance during the Google Meet class. And also, if as you start your meet, you can enter a list of expected invitees, and extension will automatically detect who joined the call and how long they stayed. You can save multiple class list, and also extension records which student attended, when they arrived, how long they stayed, with all the information display in a tidy HTML report. So this is very interesting actually. How to download it? As I mentioned to you, that you can download from Chrome Web Store. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to the google.com. In the search box you type Google Meet attendance, and then you just add the Google Meet attendance to Google Chrome, and go to the Google Meet and take your attendance. Very simple way. Um, Now I'm showing you that how you need to go to the google.com. You need to go to the google.com and then enter. Very simple. In the search box you need to write down Google Meet attendance extension. If you write, no problem, just enter, and then you can see the first one is appear to you, Google Meet attendance. Just click here. Very simple. You can see this extension already, Google Meet attendance. Just add to the Chrome. Please note that if you are using some other browser system, like for example Mozilla or any other, for Mozilla also extension is available. Such just go to google.com and search that Google Meet attendance for Mozilla, so you can easily get it. So for since I'm using a Chrome, so I need to add to the Chrome and add extension. So you can notice here that it is already added. It is already added, but it is gone again because all my Google Chrome extension is loaded here. So this is the symbol of extension. So you just click here, and then you can find out these are the extension I downloaded. So you know what you need to do. If you want to display here, you need to pin the extension. So just pin it, so it will be there displaying. Now it's very simple. Now it is you have option. You can either go to the Google Meet by your link, or from the apps, or you can just click here and then start Meet. So the Meet is starting here. So if you want to join a particular meetings, you can join, or if you want to start a new meeting, you just click here start. And for example, I am creating this one for database course. So I write here database, continue, and you are joining now here. So you are joining here. So you see, you notice that new installation is already there, getting started. If you need some further information, you can read it from here. I'm closing this one. So you can see the class list already, Google Meet attendance. version 7.10. So I can join the class. But one thing you need to do, you need to set up something that you go to the, this one is very important, settings. So click here, and make sure that that you need to say, you need to adjust the setting below as per your needs. So monitor attendance, if you want to monitor attendance, so just click here. Yes, you want to monitor automatically. Remove previous meet checks if you want to do it, recommended. Okay. And auto save HTML, you can do it. Auto save CSV file, you can do it. Auto hide updates window after how many seconds, you can specify if you want to. And then also uh, generate logs, so you can click here, generate logs. Please note that these settings you can modify only before you go to the class, before you join the class. You make sure you have to do this before. After that you cannot modify this one, the settings. So once you join the class, let's say once you join the class, I joined the class here. So you see, if you notice that your meet has started 10:18, and then these are the informations also here. I'm closing this one. Look at this. If I go to the setting now, I cannot change anymore. So if you want to change anything, you have to change it earlier. Okay. So this is the point, you have to keep it note. You see, currently the settings cannot be changed once the meet has started. I hope to fix this, fix this soon, so that the developer is still fixing. So if you want to modify, you have to modify before you join the meet. So now how I'm going to take the attendance, very simple way. So if you click here, whoever attending your classes, it will be listed, and it is automatically recorded here. It's automatically recorded here. There are wonderful features in this attendance. You click here, you can add the classes. You see my class and other options. You go to the other options, add the class. So for example, I'm adding the class database. So for example, I am to take the database class. So please, this is hidden here, add this class, and also there is a do not add this class. So I just click here, add the class. So the class is added, and then you see this is the database class. So if you want to add some more classes, very simple way, just click here, add. For example, I want to add MIS class. So you just click here, there is two button, a little bit hidden here. Add this class. So this is added. So I have MIS and database. So I'm going to take the database class. So I just select this one, and all the student will join and will be appear here, and you can get the attendance. So some interesting features here, that you can save it, you can save to the HTML, and also multiple classes you can save. Even you can delete the classes, and also load the previous saved file. There are multiple options here. Clear the class list field, and also you can current start time is 10:20, 10:20 you started. And then you see, and then HTML you can save. But since in the option we have already choose that it is auto save HTML, auto save CSV file, so it is automatically will be saving. But if still, if you want to save, I want to show you here. Just let's say for example you want to save it, save. So that you see this is downloaded here, CSV format, Microsoft Excel. It will be there date wise, it will be selected. Currently, since I'm alone, you see, look at here, what time I join, how long, 1 minutes, and everything will be there. And you can track also that a student is continuously attending the class, or dropping and again coming, and how long they stay in the class, everything you can get the information. And also if you click on the HTML, so you see here HTML, HTML report will be generated like this. And you see a database class, what time they started, in time, and the length 2 minutes. I just started 2 minutes, but all the student list will be here. And if you have a multiple classes, and there will be column for each date wise, and then you can easily track the students, that how how many class they attended, your student is attended, and how long they stay in the meeting. So look at here, daily attendant listened here, the student was present, so this color will be there. And if it's rejoin, then it will be this color, and rejoin again, so this will be this color, etc. So you can see the details. And also if you have a previous attendance, you can upload also, choose the file and upload it here, so you get a complete report. This is very wonderful features here. Even using this daily attendance report, we can monitor the classes as well. So the teachers can send a report for each classes using this a daily attendance report for database courses. So if, let's say, if you are taking another class, so it will be creating a column here, and then date wise you can get the data. So as I already told you, the settings, this you can modify. And then this is the attendance summary report. You can get, as I told you before, these are the student list, and you can see here that date wise different column has been created, and each students attended everything. You can see arrived late, you can see here, like for example, absent, this student is absent and did not stay after this, they did not continue. So different date you can say. So you can get a complete summarized report. At the same time, this is my class. Like yesterday I took this class, and only one class. So you can see here that particular students, like for example Lutfur Rahman, he is attended all the way. And then another students, you see, the student is drop and come back again until here there is a gap. There is a drop for this particular period. Like for example, this particular students, only few minutes attended, and then rest of the things is actually the length of the meet is 60 minutes. 60 minutes I took the classes in this case. So I can see and details report. And if you are taking multiple classes, so the list will be coming here, and each class you will get this, how long I took the classes and which date, everything report will be there. So this summary report is very good report for monitoring the class. If this is my contract, if you need any help, do not hesitate to contact me with my email, or even by calling to my number. I'm ready to help you and support. I hope that this video is useful to you. If you feel that is very useful, please share with your colleagues so that they will get benefit. Thank you very much for listening.